What if I told you you could land in a Salesforce job that can fetch you 5 to 12 lakhs per annum without extensive knowledge of coding and in-depth technical knowledge? As of now, you would be facing 3 challenges. 1. Overwhelmed with all these buzzwords, the technology words. Oh, which one should I learn? Where should I go? What should I do? Second, your capability. Doubt in your capability. Will I be able to code? Will I be able to understand the technology? Am I competent enough to grab a job? Would anyone hire me? So these are the self-doubting questions which will be bothering you. And the third is, even if I get a job, how stable is the job market today? Will my job last for a longer period of time? Or would I become obsolete? Will I lose my job after a few months? Oh, complete doubt and insecurity about the future. So these are the 3 major hurdles or challenges which keep eating away the graduates these days. It doesn't matter whether you're a recent pass out or you have an academic gap or you're trying to switch over your career from one technology to another technology. We have an excellent solution. The webinar for which you would be registering. In that, I would be explaining you the in-detail steps of how you can master Salesforce technology and how you can grab a high-paying job in the IT industry. In the workshop, in detail, we will be explaining you what is cloud computing, what is Salesforce, what is a CRM, what the Salesforce CRM has to offer, why all the top-notch companies in the world like Google, Amazon, KFC, Pepsi, Coke, all these make use of the Salesforce CRM, and we nearly have 2 lakh job openings in India. Why is it so? All this would be explained in the 3-hour webinar, which is split into 2 halves of 90 minutes each, so that you get a real insight. You can assess yourself. Oh, does this technology really suit me? Am I capable of mastering it? Will I be competent enough to crack the interviews? And is it a long-lasting career for me or just a momentary career? All these aspects shall be in detail covered in the 3 hours of our workshop. Then next, in the workshop, we will also explain you merely learning Salesforce in a crude way is not going to help you. There are a lot of free videos available on YouTube, and here and there are several websites where you can find free videos on Salesforce. We are not against them. We appreciate the service to the society. We appreciate their love towards the subject. We appreciate the support they give to people to grab jobs. But as a professional, we have been training Salesforce since 2011. Thousands and thousands of students we have trained. More than 60% of them have grabbed jobs across India, even in Australia, Middle East, Europe, Northern America, different parts of the world. So what's so unique about our training, we will reveal you. There are certain principles, there are certain architectures, if you understand, will make it very, very easy to grab a job in the Salesforce technology. And apart from that, with this buzzword of artificial intelligence around, don't worry. Salesforce is one amongst the top 2 companies which created prompt engineering. They are one of the 2 top companies which created the huge large language models. So they are the ones who are core into artificial intelligence. So this technology of Salesforce is now completely backed with artificial intelligence, and we will be showing you how to utilize the potential of artificial intelligence and master this technology, and why this will be a long-lasting career for you. Because now it is the age of AI. And in this age of AI, we have to go with the leaders. Yeah, and once you're with the leaders, you keep moving ahead with them and your career is secured. As an individual, if you feel, is my career secured, then what do you think the world's second largest IT company would be thinking about them and their employees? Isn't it? So they definitely want to create huge strategies, a strategy which would give security for the company and also the people who work with these technologies. So the 3-hour webinar will give you a clear-cut insight of the entire Salesforce technology, which will enable you to make a decision to choose a career, to choose opportunities, to choose a technology for your future. Along with this, you would also be getting a bonus worth 12,000 rupees live class training. These are not videos which we are going to share with you. And what is this 12,000 worth training? Is that going to help me? Are you asking us to join Salesforce by taking those? No, not at all. Even if you join Salesforce, you learn Salesforce, or you don't learn Salesforce, because you are investing 3 hours of your time with us, we would like to give you the best of the best what we have. By registering for this webinar, you would be getting 15 hours of training free, which is the first part of the bonus, which will kill the fear of coding. Irrespective which background you come from, you might be a CSE BTech guy, you might be an MCA guy, you might be coming from a civil engineering background or electrical or electronics or a mechanical background, doesn't matter. We kill the fear of coding and we make you competent enough to code. We have created this approach, which is approved by the All Indian Council of Technical Education. This is the body which gives permission to all the technical colleges in India. No technical college in India runs without the approval of this body, and they have approved this training of ours and stated that this is the best technical training a student can get to kill the fear of coding and master the confidence in coding. So, irrespective whether you join Salesforce or not, by participating in this very webinar, you would get that opportunity. And through that, you can clearly think about your future. We don't want you to make a choice because someone says, my brother has got a job in Salesforce, my known people are working in Salesforce. Okay, that's a good approach or a good intake for you to assess that there are good job opportunities. Do you want a job for yourself or do you want to advocate them for getting their jobs? You want a job, isn't it? Then it is your capabilities which have to be nurtured. It is your skill set which has to be groomed. You will clearly understand in this 15 hours of free training how you can become a master of coding. The second bonus that which we offer you is about automations. The entire AI is running towards these automations. Everything takes place automatically. So an additional 20 hours of training is offered for you to understand and master these automations. So 2 invaluable technologies you will be learning in live classes. We don't give videos and ask you to do it at your self-pace. No. We want to ensure you have the foundation for the upcoming era. In the next few years, you need to have a very strong base to evolve in this changing era of technology that's driven by artificial intelligence. So we will equip you with all that which is needed. So what are you waiting for? Register for the webinar, fine, and give yourself a wonderful opportunity to get groomed in this technical space. So we are the best who can do this for you. We are quite confident in this. Over the past 15 years, we have trained more than 1 lakh students, and we have seen huge success ratio. Students who have followed our approach have all grabbed jobs. They not only grabbed jobs, but they have been in invincible position in the companies. They have become tech leads, project managers, CTOs in the span of 10 to 15 years. So this is how they have been working in their careers. A lot of students who have learned from us have now become Salesforce trainers. They not only build projects, they're also training students. We have tech leads, we have people even in Salesforce company who run several divisions of Salesforce. This is how we have contributed in this ecosystem of Salesforce. Yeah, and your story should be the next in this. It should get added with all these hundreds and thousands of students and should motivate further others to take a step towards a bright future. So looking forward to see you all in the webinar. Get registered.